Hello everyone, and today we will be learning about something similar to couts that can be, you could use this as a trick, so that we have couts here. What we can do now instead is we could do what's called a printf. And then we could say, I have, and then what we would do is we would do a %s, which is a parameter string that then we can then pass in, which we'll explain about parameters in a later video. But with this, with a %s, means you're going to insert a string in that specific place. I have blank amount of carrots. And then with that, you can just say carrots. And because I don't like carrots, they don't rule. And then we're going to put a semicolon. And then when we run the program, oh, well, I got to edit that out. But this is because this is a string. We don't want to do a string. We want to do what's called a double. And that's what it is. And that'll show 25. So essentially what I messed up is you want to do printf with a string. So if you want to insert a string outside, for instance, that's when you would do the %s. And then you could say burger storm rules. And with that, you'll see that I have 25 amount, I have 25 amounts of carrots, they don't rule. I have Blake Burger Storm Room's amount of carrots, they don't rule. So they inserted it into the printf. And printf, you do not need the IO stream to use. Printf is internal C component of C++, so it is inherited to C++, so that you can use that instead of cout to print stuff to the screen. You can use that for your discretion, whatever you like. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you were informed, and I hope that you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next video. If you could like, comment, subscribe for more, and that would be great. Thanks, guys. Bye.